Hello everyone, how are you? I hope you are fine and doing great. So today I'm here with a new video. I will let you know how you can withdraw money and send money to your ones from the PayPal. PayPal is a digital account service where you can receive the payment from your clients and you can send money to your clients for any need, or you can pay the payment, online payments you can do with the PayPal. So today I'm going to share with you how you can withdraw the money into your account and how you can send money to your others, or to your favorite, to your clients, and how you can transfer the money from your PayPal account. So first you need to sign in or sign up. If you don't have an account, you can sign up from the link below and you can create your own account. Similarly, like this, you have to come here PayPal and you need to go to sign up page. Here you have to select personal account, continue, and you need to enter your mobile number. Next is the simple process. You just need to follow the instructions and that's it. So my main purpose is to tell you how you can. So well, it's a simple process to create your account, and after creation of your account you can just log in into your PayPal and you will reach onto this home page. Here you can see your wallet option. Under the wallet you have your pending balance, for example here, and you can link your bank account and link your card also. For the withdrawal, simply click on the link a bank and you can input all your bank details here. Once your bank is linked, then you can go to send payment, or you can, if you want to click on send payment, it will take you here, transfer to your bank account. So select your bank account. As you can see, I have two accounts here. Select your bank account and click next, and it will goes to your account, whatever the amount you will enter on the next page. And if you want to send it to your other PayPal user, then you need to come here on the send button, or send on the menu option. You can see here send payment to. So you have to enter account holder email whom you need to send a payment. So in my case, just for a second, let me check the account holder email whom I need to send the payment. And here I am going to enter the account number or email to whom I need to send the payment. Make sure once you enter the email, and the account holder email should be here. Okay, so I got email of this user. I will select it, and here I need to mention how much amount I need to send. So let me just check. So here you have to mention the payment, and in the purpose, what is this payment for, you just mean to mention the purpose, what is this payment for. So in my case, just I mention the family support, and then I need to click on continue. After clicking on the continue page, seller has made small fee, that is going on. Okay, so you will pay 765. This is your invoice details, and just click on the send payment now. Make sure you have to check these options, these details before sending the payment, and make sure the payment you have mentioned is correct, and then click on send payment now button. So here it's a simple process. I have sent the payment to this user, and if you want to send more payment, you need to click on send more money. And gotcha, that's for the video, and you will receive an email notification in your email, as I have received an email. So that's it for this video. For more video, don't forget to like, subscribe my channel, and keep sharing with your friends and family who can get benefit of these videos. So goodbye and take care until the next video came. Goodbye.